So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about next set of intraday stocks for tomorrow. So yesterday we have seen three stocks. So today you can see how well they have performed, especially PVR. So it has given almost 7% upward move. So definitely mention in the comment section who have entered and taken a trade. So always I tell in my videos, beginners always enter after 9:45. So for some people it may be very tempting to enter immediately after the market opens, because the volatility will attract them, because when you see the stock falling down they feel that it will rise again and they start buying. So later the loss will increase because volatility also fluctuates very fastly. So always focus on the levels. Only when the levels come, then only you should enter. So don't get tempted, control your emotions. So that is what is the basic trick in intraday that you need to follow. Okay, so always keep strict stop losses and only enter after the volatility settles little bit, and then only enter with small quantities. So we'll see the next set of intraday stocks for tomorrow. So we'll discuss the three stocks with supports and resistances. So focus on them and then only enter. Okay, the first stock that we are going to discuss is Zee Entertainment. So we know that this particular stock I also discussed in my previous videos in the intraday stocks almost 2 days back. So when it was around 160 rupees, we have discussed that. So currently you can see it is in full swing. Almost it has reached the 198 rupees level. So tomorrow if it break out the 200 rupees level, then definitely we can buy this particular stock for targets of 210 plus, and we can sell this particular stock if it falls below 190, and immediate targets would be 180 plus. So since it has given a huge run up, even if it corrects, then you will get a very heavy amount of profit as well. So focus on the levels, and beginners, again I am telling, so that you should not forget the point. Always wait till 9:45 and then only enter. Okay, our next stock is UBL. So we can buy this particular stock above 1021, and immediate targets would be 1035 plus, and you can sell this particular stock if it falls below 1015, and target would be 1000 plus. Okay, so focus on this particular stock as well. And always whenever you're entering, so watch the trend first and then only enter. If it's a downtrend, so then search for selling opportunities, and when it's moving up, then search for buying opportunities, and especially when levels are given, then focus on the levels. Okay, our last stock is Voltas. So we can buy this above 650, and immediate targets would be 660 plus, and you can sell this particular stock below 645, and targets would be 630 plus. So these are all the three stocks and levels. So now we'll discuss on the technical charts, and we'll see how the levels are being obeyed. Okay, if we see the Voltas 1 day chart, so you can see it has given a very good, we can say, upward move from the resistance at the pivot point. You can see that is almost 630 rupees, and currently it is moving in 644 region. So tomorrow again, if it tests the 661 level, then definitely further movement also will happen. So what I discussed in levels also, so focus on the level 645 above, and then you need to enter in the quantities according to your capital. Always put small quantity if you're a beginner, and if you're regularly doing trading, then slowly keep increasing the capital. And rest of all, if you see, money flow index also has reached the oversold region, overbought region, sorry. So further some more movement may be possible. From that again little correction may also happen. So watch that. The levels are very important, so very good levels are given. And what we can see in 1 hour chart, so in 1 hour chart also we can see the stock was respecting the VWAP. So also put the VWAP indicator, so that you will have an idea of the price action. So the above, it's present above the VAP, that's also a good sign. And next, according to levels, if it moves, then definitely the 656 and 660 target should be achieved. Apart from that, even in 1 hour chart as well, we can see money flow index needs some more momentum. So tomorrow we can test that particular levels which we have discussed. Okay, our next stock is Z Entertainment. So we can see how well it is showing its momentum. So continuous, we can see a good rally was seen in the stock, and currently it is facing the resistance around 198. So 198, it is facing resistance. If we do back testing also, not exactly, if we go to the previous sessions also, we can see when it has fallen from that particular level, you can see how the rally was. So definitely it is having very huge volatility also. So focus on the levels which you have discussed. So 190 and 200 plus, if it crosses, then definitely you can go for buying side, and 190 below, then definitely a sure short selling can happen in this stock. And what you can see in money flow index also completely in overbought region. So anything can happen at any time. So be cautious. If you're buying, then definitely need to be very, very cautious. Same in 1 hour chart as well. You can see the it is in complete swing, and it's facing resistance near this particular region. So definitely focus on the levels which we have discussed, and then only enter. Put the VWAP indicator and also see how the volume is changing, and identify the trend, whether market is in uptrend or downtrend, and then only enter. Okay, last stock is UBL. So UBL, we can see a very good resistance. You can see very big wick is also formed. So that you can see the level exactly 1015 is a very good resistance for this company. So previously also, if you do back testing, it has faced a very good resistance, and again it has retraced its path. So tomorrow also, on selling side also, we can see a very good opportunities. So if it gives a breakout, again excellent move also will be possible. So same in money flow index also is showing some momentum, and if it approaches overbought region, in stock price also will increase. Okay, similarly in 1 hour chart also, when it has given, when it has fallen below the VWAP, so this pink color line is the VWAP. So when it has fallen below that as well, it has shown some correction. You can see it has fallen down, and later when it has taken the support near this particular region, so this is called gap filling process. So I discuss in my every video. So whenever any stock gives any rise, again it fills the gap, and again it starts moving. So watch, understand the concept first, and then only you can do a very good amount of profit. So understanding also takes time, practice also is required. Definitely you will learn that in my videos also. Whenever I find these type of things, I keep on sharing. So that's why the next important level is the pivot point, that is 1021, which I discussed in the slides. If it moves above that, then definitely it will be on a buying side. So stay focused on the levels, and then only enter. And money flow index also is in overbought region. So these are all the three stocks. So watch them carefully, and then only enter based on levels. Okay. So these are intraday stocks. In next videos we'll discuss about the another stocks, maybe positional or long term stocks. So stay updated. So until then, take care. Bye bye.